So in this video, we are going to talk about an amazing GSI, which is the OrionOS. So this is like an all-rounder, which is also called as the Ozone, the O3 you can see on the wallpaper. So what's so special in this? So first of all, it is based on the Lineage OS, the latest one, the Lineage OS 23.2. And the facility you get is, I'll just start talking about it, is you can see when you open the settings, you can see it comes with this molecular section over here, and from here the level of customization is like infinite. You can customize from each button to everything in this device, from status bar to how quickly you can pull down the network. Even the Android 17's status bar lyric, you can get it on your status bar. I can't test it out, but over here you can see you have got this things, and you get the ability of custom logos. I can set it to Superman, Windows, Xbox, to whatever I wish. Now you can change the clock if you want to hide it or not. You got everything from your brightness control. So if I swipe over here, I can adjust my brightness. Isn't it cool? Like, I don't have to even open my notification panel to do that. Now moving forward, I'll just lower it down. Yeah, perfect. Now in the quick settings, you have got everything you can customize, from each and every panel to everything over here. In miscellaneous, I've got default settings, blur intensity, so it comes with live blur natively, and I'll try to show you. Like, if it's over here, you will see this live blur effect coming. Yeah, you can see this live blur. Yeah, this is the live blur effect over here, and that's just crazy. And guys, out of the box, I get so many things working, from NFC to flashlight. Everything just works over here, and I don't have any sort of issue. And it's just amazing how crazy it is. Now moving forward, what I get in the lock screen, I get the ability to hide. I get multimedia, everything like animation, lock screen. And the best part about over here is that I can customize all the button layouts. So I can, like, you can add whatever you want, from double tap to triple tap, anything on this, and it will give you the ability to do so. Now the best thing over here is this spoofing. So a lot of you guys must have been like, oh, okay, I have got this GSI installed now. I can't use any of the other apps, like your banking apps and all. Google Pay, it already says that it breaks Google Pay. So what it does, it gives you the native way to just get strong integrity. And you can also get the key box. I've already showed in my channel how to get the valid key box. I keep on updating them. And also you can put in custom JSON spoof for play integrity fix, and it also gets this unlimited photo storage, which is a good handy feature over here. And just the look on the device is really crazy. I think it is one of the most good looking and the most customizable one I've found out. As of now, I can see the camera works, everything works natively, and I don't face any issue over here. And to be honest, I find it that it's very much ready to be daily driven. Now let's come to how to install it. So we'll go back to our main system, and I'll show you how to install it so that you can do it without losing any of your data. So once you click the link down in the description, you will get this OrionOS 16 GSI Treble, which is based on the ARM64 AB. So you have to make sure that your device supports Treble, which is by going and downloading an app called Treble. So I'll just show you which one it is. So you will have this Treble Check APK in the description as well. You can download it. And just to make it clear, guys, a lot of you guys have been commenting down that, okay, your device does install it, but it does not boot. So if you don't have an unlocked bootloader, it will not work. Root is not a necessary thing over here, but you need to have an unlocked bootloader. So over here you can see that I have got the Treble support as supported. Yeah, Project Treble is supported, and I am running a 64-bit ARM processor, which means that the one where I just use this one is, yeah, so it shows that it's an ARM64, so it will work. So for this one to boot, you need to have an ARM64 processor. If you don't have it, it won't work on your device. Now, why is this a very necessary thing? Because there are a lot of architecture which may or may not work. So in my in some of my very old videos, I have shown installing GSI on Samsung's Galaxy J8, which is an ARM 32-bit processor. And if I try to install this on that one, it won't work. It just won't boot up. And that is a very big catch if you don't know which one to flash and which one not to. So if you are using this, make sure that your device has Project Treble supported and it is ARM64. Now what you have to do is, once you extract this .img.xz, you will get this .image. Now what you have to do, you have to move over to DSU Sideloader and you need to have unlocked Bootloader. If you have root, you can use any of the manager and give it the root permission, or if you have Shizuku, then you can enable Shizuku on this. Now you have to go over and click the image. I'll go ahead and select the img, not the .img.xz, as it will take a very long time to extract and flash it. Now once I select the img, I can go ahead and select user data and select say 20 GB based on what your device has. If you have some free storage and you want to daily drive it for some amount of time just to see that everything works or not, you can use 20 GBs, or you can go and select 5. By default it will have 2 GB, but of course it will just get filled immediately. Now you have to go ahead and select install. Now once you click on proceed, it will start the installation process and it will take roughly around 5 to 10 minutes. So make sure you have that much of time and patience, and don't turn or close any of these apps. Just let it run and it will be done, and then you will have the option to reboot. So once that is done, you will be booted into OrionOS. You can do the setup and you saw that amazing look of OrionOS. So if you like this video, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like the video, and I'll catch you in the next one.